If you cannot install Windows on a new build or newly configured hardware because of drivers, you are at the right place. Here is a detailed guide on how to fix it. This is the Windows Club. When you install Windows 10 or Windows 11, a few drivers are required to show your hard drive and continue with the installation. Windows sometimes may not find the required drivers while being installed. As a result, a pop-up window keeps appearing asking you to choose some driver while showing zero information about the driver you need to select. If you are getting such an issue, then here is how to fix it. Let's get started. Method 1. Check hardware connection. When you see a pop-up window keeps appearing, asking you to choose some driver, you should check the connection between your motherboard and hard drive. Check if there is any loose connection. You can unplug the cable, reconnect it back and then check. Method 2. Disable VMD controller. VMD or Volume Management Device Controller goes with the NVMe. NVMe is a form of SSD which is smaller and faster than an original first generation or regular SSD. When your configuration has an NVMe hard drive, there is a high chance that your processor and motherboard treat it as a RAID. However, for normal Windows 11 or 10 installation, that is not required. So you can disable it. To disable the VMD controller or VMD, you need to enter your BIOS. The process to enter BIOS depends on your specific motherboard. You can go through the user manual or visit the manufacturer's website to know the exact process. When you are into BIOS, go to Advanced, then PCI Configuration. Next, select the Volume Management Device option. Here, you can find some ports with a prefix called VMD. Select each port and choose the Disable option. Save the changes and restart your computer. Method 3. Reset BIOS. This problem could also occur when you choose the wrong settings in the BIOS or UEFI settings. Many people have got it fixed by doing so, and that is why we would suggest you reset BIOS once and check if it fixes the problem or not. You can follow this detailed step-by-step guide to reset BIOS to factory defaults. Method 4. Download Intel RST driver. When you create a bootable Windows USB drive, it does not store any additional driver, whereas the Intel Rapid Storage Technology driver is required to use the hard drive. So you can download the RST driver from the official website and keep it on your USB device. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.